This is the trade tracker which we have built for our members. I will show you how you can use this trade tracker to pull information from the active call database, which has been mirrored on this trade tracker for you to identify stock ideas which you want to purchase out of these active calls. All you have to do is copy the code which of the stock idea which you're interested in. So suppose this new stock idea which I have posted today, LG Equip. Let me zoom in to help you see better. So this stock idea, as you can see, it has been posted today, and because it is newly posted, the cell is highlighted in blue color. All you have to do is copy the code in column F. So I have pressed Ctrl C and copied. You can also right click and click on copy. Then you have to go on the trade tracker. Now on this trade tracker, you have to click, do right click, paste special and paste value only. If you directly paste, then the problem is that it will try to paste the formula and it will not work. So it's best to use paste special. The keyboard shortcut for this is Ctrl plus Shift plus V. This command is also mentioned in the header of the column for you to see easily. This way, the stock idea will be easily visible on the analysis columns, which is the first section of this trade tracker. Now, all you have to do is carry on to the execution section of the tracker, and here again you can see the name of the stock present for you. Now, based on which date you have purchased it, what quantity you bought, what price level you bought it at, you just have to make those entries. Now suppose I bought the stock today. So using the shortcut key Ctrl plus colon, I will make the entry for today's date. Now say I will look at to determine what quantity I want to purchase. I will look at the buying range, and depending on the corpus that I have committed, say I have committed a corpus of 25 lakhs to do my tradings. Now this tracker will automatically show me what quantity I am supposed to purchase. Basically 3 to 5% should be allocated to this stock idea, which comes down to around 182 to 303 quantities. So suppose I bought 200 quantities, and what is the CMP of this stock? I can see the last traded price is 412. So suppose I bought it at 412 and 50 paisa. All I have to do is make the entry. Now what amount I have invested, I can see here. The current value is also getting calculated because it is multiplying the quantity with the last traded price, which is already mentioned in this tracker for you. It will show you the profit and loss percentage. It will show you the profit and loss amount. Now, when you are done buying the stock, all you have to do is enter the sell price. Now, suppose after few days, the stock reaches the target price. Let's see what the target price was. The target was up 36% from the level and 565. So now, for example, say the 565 level comes and I sell it, and I sell it at a date of say 30th of March 2023. So March 23. All right, I will go forward and say this is the date I sold on. I can see the age of the stock at the time of selling was 77. Now before I sold the stock also, it was going to show me the age of the stock from today. Say I had purchased this stock on the 1st of January, then it would show me that the stock was purchased 11 days ago. This trade tracker will also help you make sure that you are disciplined. It will ask you to set the GTT, and if you're not setting the GTT, it will keep reminding you by staying blue. Only if you type yes will it change the color to normal. If you type no, it will still keep reminding you that you have to set your GTT. Now it shows that total corpus is 25 lakhs and how much is uninvested, and it is showing that 25 of the 25 lakh corpus you have allocated 3.3% to LG Equip. Now it is supposed to also show you what, okay, now it is showing that you have around 24 lakhs and 17,500 uninvested in your account. This tracker is actively maintained by me and I keep making them better. Another feature is the performance. Now when only and only when you enter the date here will the tracker stop counting this value, this profit, as unrealized. As you can see, this unrealized PNL showed 30,500, but now that realized that amount has moved to realized PNL because you have entered the selling date. So this is how this tracker can help you in making your trade entries. If you have any questions about this, you are welcome to connect with me at any point of time. I have also added a contact Kavita button on the mobile view. Let me also add this to the trade tracker so that it's easier for you to connect with me whenever and wherever you want to. So now I have added a contact me button so that you can easily get in touch with me in case you need any help with anything related to this tracker. Also remember that I constantly keep updating the tracker. Any information that you need at any point of time, you should feel free to get in touch with me. So for now, this is all I have for you. I will request you to make the most of this tracker, stay in touch with me, learn continuously. Last thing, in the last column, I have left some space for you to add notes. The best way to learn is by making sure that you're studying your past investments. If you keep doing that, then it will help you keep learning and keep growing. So that is all for me from this side on this investment trade tracker. Each trade tracker is customized for the user. So if you are interested in getting a trade tracker and if you are an active member, then of course, needless to state, these trade trackers are exclusively available for our active members. If you are interested in one of these trade trackers, then please get in touch with me immediately. It's only available for our elite plan and above subscribers. Thank you.